Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I will show you how I recreate my Chick-Fil-A order. So first I'm going to start by putting my clean chicken breast in a Ziploc bag. So I add a little olive oil to help it keep it together, of course. You're going to rub the olive oil all on top, and then you can use a meat masher or just a bottom of a glass cup, but I will just use my fist. Let out some stress, hey. So I'm just going to mash up these chicken breasts just to flatten it down a little bit. That way it can cook evenly. After that, I'm going to take 2 other chicken breasts and I'm going to go ahead and slice them for chicken tenders. Now, as you can see, I'm not slicing them all equally in size because if you think about it, when you get chicken tenders from Chick-Fil-A, they're not all even. Some are short, some are smaller. So it just depends. So I will make it as close as possible. So as I'm doing this, I have my oil preheating. I suggest using a fryer, preheated for about 340, 350, and then we're going to boost it up to 360, 365 to make it really crispy. So I'm placing all my chicken in my Ziploc bag, and Ziploc bag is handy. I love them. It's easy to store, not a bad cleanup. You can dispose those. So I'm adding pickle juice. That is the key. So we're going to marinate our chicken breast and our chicken tenders. I'm going to dilute it with a little bit of water, mix it around and let that sit for about an hour, hour and 30 minutes if you can overnight, but like I said, an hour and 30 minutes is fine. So now for our egg mixture, I'm going to take about 4 eggs. I'm going to crack those open. I'm going to whisk those really well. Next, I'm going to add about a cup of heavy cream, a splash of hot sauce for a kick. Now, I usually get the spicy deluxe chicken sandwich. If you get the regular chicken sandwich, then you don't have to add hot sauce. I'm adding a couple seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder. I will have everything listed below. Now, I'm basing this off my taste buds and a little research. I'm adding 3 cups of flour and a little bit of cornstarch just to help that crunch. I'm going to season my flour, and then after that, I'm just going to mix it together. I'm only adding a little sazon for color, of course. After that, make sure you whisk it with either a whisk or a fork. That's basically sifting the flour. Now in a bowl, I'm going to make my Chick-Fil-A sauce. Here, I'm adding mayo for the base, and then I'll be adding some barbecue sauce, some honey, mustard. Now off camera, I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey mustard. It does make a big difference, but just base it off your taste buds. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite sauce is. I love Chick-fil-A sauce and Polynesian. I might do a recipe on the Polynesian sauce soon. Let me know if you would like. I'm just going to coat my chicken breast and of course my chicken tenders with that egg batter. You want to push down your chicken breast in your flour. Now we're going to fry these chicken breasts for about 12 minutes. I'm going to continue to coat all my chicken. Moving on to the chicken tenders while my chicken breasts are cooking. Now your chicken breasts are going to cook for at least 6 to 7 minutes, but just keep an eye on it. It really depends if you're cooking them on the stove or if you're frying them in the fryer. So just keep an eye on it. Whatever you think is fully cooked, open it up, check the inside, and if it's white, it's fully cooked. Now my chicken breasts are done. As you can see, it has a beautiful, nice brown crunch to it. I use baskets. I'm using the butter bread. You can broil them to get them a little toasted. Now I'm going to assemble my sandwiches. I'm putting some Chick-Fil-A sauce, a little bit of pickles. Of course, don't forget the pickles. Some tomato, and then the chicken breast, some lettuce. If you decide to recreate this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines. I would love to see your pictures. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends, your family, your mama, your auntie, everybody. Let everybody know about Chaz's Cuisines because, hey, we cooking it up over here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm assembling my sandwich, and that's it, y'all. The chicken tenders are done. Take those out, drain them, add some waffle fries with a little bit of sea salt, add your Chick-Fil-A sauce on the side, and boom, you're all set and ready to go. So simple, so easy, and quick, y'all. Enjoy. Come back, see us again. And stay tuned for more recipes and more videos.